In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a section in Squarespace. If you're working on a personal or professional website, knowing how to manage the visibility of specific sections can be incredibly useful. Whether you're trying to streamline your page or simply want to temporarily remove content, understanding this process will offer you greater flexibility and control over your website's design. Let's dive in. First, let's make sure you are on the right track by navigating to the Squarespace platform. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and do so. Once you're logged into your Squarespace account, you'll need to click on Get Started to access your dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of all the websites you manage. Choose the one you want to work on today. Squarespace's user interface is quite intuitive, which makes it easy to find the particular pages that you wish to edit. Next, it's time to move into the specific page where you wish to hide a section. Select the Website tab from your dashboard, and from there, click on Page. This will present you with the back-end editor, displaying the structure of your current web page. Editing directly on your page is both practical and straightforward, thanks to Squarespace's real-time editing function. Once you're in the page editor, locate the section you want to hide. It might require a bit of scanning, but once you've found it, click on the heart icon at the corner of this section. This simple action adds the portion to your saved sections list. It's a handy feature that effectively stores the section for future use, meaning you can easily access it whenever you're ready to include it back into your layout again. Now that the section is saved, you have the freedom to remove it from the current page layout entirely. Deleting it from the page won't erase it permanently, thanks to it being saved, so you won't have to worry about losing any customized content or settings. To delete the section, simply click on the delete icon, usually represented by a tiny trash bin icon, and confirm your action. When the time comes to add that section back, or perhaps elsewhere on your site, head over to the Add Section button. This feature allows you to browse through your library of saved sections. Choose the one you previously saved by clicking on it, and just like magic, it'll be placed back onto your page exactly as it was. And there you have it. By following these steps, managing and hiding sections in Squarespace becomes a streamlined process that greatly enhances your ability to curate your website. This flexibility not only keeps your site looking sharp, but also allows you to organize content as you wish, with ease and efficiency. Remember to periodically review your saved sections to ensure they are still relevant, and feel free to repeat this process whenever required. If you have any other Squarespace questions or need further guidance, feel free to check out additional resources. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.